Greeting from Elle. We are here at a 2 bedrooms and 2 bath in Humboldt, Texas. Pre-leasing since February 2024. So the kitchen. Behind me is the stainless fridge, the large size.
It is a large island.
Right.
That thing, like it seats, they have 3 seats, bar stools over. I like these type of kitchens where they're looking out on the patio. You know, they have a great view while you do your dishes. But yeah, it's the great sink there. Well, deep sink. Very deep. As well, most definitely.
They do have the wine chiller.
Yeah, it's a great location. Great feature there for the wine chiller. Of course, you can store anything. I think right now they have some Sprite in there. So keep it at your perfect temperature. Yes. No doubt about it.
And of course, we do have a lot of cabinetries and spaces.
Yeah, look at all those cabinets. Yeah. I mean, they just keep going on and on and on. And then down below, look at the drawers, how big they are. So yeah, really good and deep. Look how deep those are. So nice deep cabinets. So really good sized pantry. Always like it when they have a good floor size down below. Put your bottle of water. Great pantry right there.
If I snuck in, I can fit in it, I think.
Oh, you could. You would easily fit in there. You would, that's a good hide and seek spot right there for you. Oh yeah, you fit good. Oh, there she goes.
I guess
we would never know you're in there except for your dress is hanging out.
It's the bathroom.
The bathrooms are really good size. Look how long they are. The vanities are really nice. I like the faucets there as well, the hardware, which is really nice. But it's long. It's got a garden tub, nice sized garden tub. The tile's really nice. Easy to clean, large tiles as well.
Granite countertops. And I think they have the linens in here too, right?
Yeah, linen closet right there.
And then the really cool thing is it connected from here to there.
Oh yeah, they've got the door, so you could close it off when you have guests. Close the secondary bedroom off, most definitely.
Yes.
So that's really nice. Nice, good sized window right there. First thing you notice when you come into this bedroom. And it's a really good sized bedroom. I believe this is a queen size bed. But you can put a California king in here. No, that is a California king.
It's big.
And look how much room you still have on each side.
And then we have the walk-in closet here.
Nice.
I was going to go straight back to the bathroom again. Totally forgot that.
You just keep going in and out.
And yeah, again, very large size, very open, lots of sunlight coming in.
Look how big the wall is though for like your sofa. So if you have a large sofa, it would easily fit against that wall.
Yes.
And then it's a nice size distance from the other wall to put your TV.
Right here?
On that side, right there.
Right there.
Perfecto. Most definitely.
And here we do have the washer and dryer included. And this will be our, what's the breakfast area?
Yeah, well, yeah, you could even have a dining area here. You could easily have 6 to 8 people over for dinner to sit down.
Yes.
So no, it's a good space.
Well,
you want to show them the patio first?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yes, really nice. This one looks out into the pool area.
Which is very nice too.
It is.
is our primary bedroom.
So this is a very good sized primary bedroom. It's this is a California king, but so much larger. You could easily fit some other chairs, lounge chairs. This looks back onto the pool, just right where we were for the balcony as well.
We have double vanities, walk-in shower.
Oh yeah, she's going in. You know it's large when she can go in.
Yes.
Check that out. And these are engineered vinyl. Actually, no, they're vinyl.
Vinyl wood.
Vinyl wood.
And here is the bathtub.
Yeah, so it's the same size as the other garden tub, but this has a standalone shower.
Yes.
Which is really nice. And another shower head in here as well. Oh, and it comes with your own pair of shoes if you like that style.
Yeah.
Check that out. I'm surprised Vienna's not modeling those today.
What size is this?
Too bad. If they had hats in here, she'd have the hats on.
But this is size 8. It won't fit me.
Oh, too bad. Darn the luck.
And this is the
But you have very pretty shoes on today as well, so you don't need their shoes.
No, mine's more fun.
Oh yeah, well that makes all the difference. Oh, look how sparkly those are. Oh yeah, those are plain over there.
I know, right?
Oh yeah. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough. We're in Humble, Texas today. Area is really growing. That's northeast side of Houston. Only about 25 minutes from the Galleria area, so not too far away from town.
Close to the airport?
Very close to the airport. 10 to 15 minutes right off of Will Clayton. So it's a great location. You're minutes away from some great shopping, grocery stores. So this area is exploding. So if you're in the northeast area looking for a place, come on over. Make sure you contact Vienna. She can make the move a very seamless transition for you. She can give you the access to the greatest rates as well and discounts that are currently available. So if you're looking for something like this in this area, come on over. If you're looking for something like this in a different area, let Vienna know and she will help you out.
Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Hi, and welcome to Eleve. Did I say that right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Behind me is the stainless fridge, and of course all
the appliances.